Hello, my name is Dr. Anthony Schrag. I am the program leader for the MA Participatory Arts. Many people ask us, what is participatory arts? And we answer that by saying participatory arts covers the gamut from everything like arts in healthcare contexts, art in community contexts, arts in education contexts, broadly anything that involves the creative activities with communities or particular groups and individuals. And we really sort of explore how creative and cultural activity can operate within those contexts. The program has recently changed its name. It used to be called the MA Applied Arts and Social Practice, but speaking to graduate employers, we changed the name to the MA Participatory Arts, as the graduate employers really felt that the name reflected not only what it is that our graduates do, but also how they would feel more confident in hiring people who did participatory arts. And we know that we have graduates working in many different contexts, from particular circus activities in London to developing their own commissions and projects in the borders to local community-based projects here in Edinburgh. The course itself is really quite balanced between the theoretical and the practical elements, and that presents it as quite unique in Scotland. It's the only course of its kind in Scotland in that we teach in person, and we explore practical elements and theoretical elements. The theoretical elements cover everything from ethics to our histories and our legacies of this practice, and really inviting our students to ground where they situate their work. And the practical elements cover everything from fundraising, finance and development, to planning and marketing, to really sort of pragmatic activities in community contexts based on our social practice modules, as well as explorations with colleagues and other industry partners doing these practical projects with communities. So our students leave with a really rich understanding of not only the theoretical but the practical elements of participatory arts. We have a really small cohort, and we love that. We love knowing exactly who our students are and what their projects are. It really helps us ground them in our networks and our projects. So we work a lot with particularly localized community groups like Craig Miller Now, or the Fruit Market Gallery, or Out of the Blue, or any of our networks have been really helpful in supporting our students to get real life experience along with the theoretical explorations of their teaching. So we are really proud and happy of our little program, and look forward to welcoming anyone who's interested in participatory arts onto it.